Hi guys, it's Jack from Landscape Plus here today. Today I'll be showing off how to share the IN-LITE share code. This is really handy for once you finish your project and you're looking to pass it over to your client. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your phone where you should already have the IN-LITE app already loaded up. See, when you're on the home page, you then press over to the settings and you press Studio. Here it will give you a rundown of your garden overview with the lights on it and the accessories. And what you're going to do is you're going to press the share garden code. I'm then going to go to the client's phone here and press Use Share Code. What I can do here is type in the code, as I'm doing so here, and it will come up saying log into your accounts. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So now you're logged in, you'll be able to control the light zones on using your client's phone. So here you have me turning off the lights and then turn them back on. And they will also be able to program the lights to come on and off as well. Hopefully now you'll know how to share your code with your clients. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to the team.